everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Katie and I'm doing Mermaid, and it is day 13, and today's prompt is alien, which I'm pretty sure you can probably tell by what's on screen in front of you. So following from April's upcrate, I'm quite enjoying doing a bit of lino printing at the moment, and I just wanted to incorporate that into Mermaid, and I thought this would be a brilliant way to do it. Oh, it's quite simple. I haven't gone over the top, and that's generally the idea with lino printing. It's not meant to be overly complicated, well, not if you haven't done it for a while anyway, and I just thought it would just suit everything really well. Now I know you can see a seashell in the bottom right hand corner, just ignore that, that hadn't got anything to do with this project. I was just going to play about and make some stamps, and then I realised actually I'm going to use it for Mermaid instead. Now this isn't the lino that was included with Upcrate. I went and got some more because I quite enjoy using it, so I wanted to use it for this basically. So let's talk about the design. Yes, it's your classic flying saucer with a little alien in it, and they've come to take the Mermaid and Claudia to a far, far away galaxy. There's a nice big beam of light that's shining from it, and that's the laser beam to beam them both up. I've said beam a lot there, haven't I? And yeah, now I found it really hard actually to cut around the silhouette of Claudia and the Mermaid, especially Claudia though, because I tried to keep it as simple as possible, but oh my goodness, it was hard, and I'd got the smallest little lino tool cutter on there, and it was hard, it was really hard, but I think it turned out okay at the end. It's actually quite, like I say, it's a very simplified design, and I think the aesthetic of it really suits it anyway, so I wasn't opting for a huge amount of detail there. I also thought let's add a few twinkly stars on there, and the good thing about leaving such a lot of blank space on here is I can actually cut areas out of that board, clean the Sharpie pen off which I drew everything on with, and use it again for other projects, so I can be quite economical with this once Mermaid's finished. One of the things I like most about doing a lino cut, and I guess it's a bit of a spoiler alert for me, is when you go over it with the ink, you can actually see, oh, you've got a rough idea of how it's going to turn out. Obviously it's going to be the mirror image, but it's nice to see that. The paper I used was the stuff I got from that Artful box that I didn't like, because I might as well use the paper, and it was okay to print on. I think on that attempt I hadn't added enough ink, but by the time I'd done a couple more of them I'd got the hang of it, and I'd got an amount of ink on there I was quite happy with. Another thing as well is the amount of pressure I was putting on the back, so I flipped this last one over and pushed down on it more, and I think it turned out a lot better. Anyway, thank you ever so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and the usual stuff I mention at the end of all the videos. It really does help my channel grow and support me as an artist as well. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!